when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have right here, we have a whole pink salmon, already rinsed, pat dry, all that good stuff. Let it soak, you know what I mean? Did everything I was supposed to do with it. Make sure it's clean. So we're about to get this bad boy nice and right. So I already have my prep going. I have my white onion right there. I have my tomato cut up also. I have my herb right here. I have my rosemary, my thyme, a couple bay leaves. I also have my lemons chopped up, you know what I mean, nice slices. So, you know what I mean, we're about to get cooking in this bad boy. We finna make it happen for real. Alright, so we gonna take this bad boy and just cut it across. I say, yeah, like that there. You want that bad boy to cook through, all the way through. You want that seasoning to get in there also, you know what I mean? Go flip it over. We'll do the same thing. That's the bed right there. So I put it double with the foil. But before we go ahead and put that down right there, we first take our lemon. Goes just like that there. Alright, now let me wash my hands. Alright, so we have a little bowl right there. We're going to put some vegetable oil. Just pour a little bit of vegetable oil in that bowl. Just like that there. And then we're going to add our little favorite seasoning to it. We'll add some lemon. some onion powder. My bad. I said lemon. Alright, got our onion powder. Then we're gonna hit it with some Tonys. And then we're gonna hit it with the lemon pepper. Okay. And since we got that right, we'll go ahead and just stir it in. Just like that there. Stir it in. And then we'll brush. We'll brush it. I want to make sure you get it everywhere. So we'll get all between there. We'll get on the inside. Alright, so here, that's how we looking right here. I did both sides. So now we're gonna do, we'll put our tomatoes. Let's place our tomatoes in here, like this. Yeah, just surround the fish with some tomatoes. So now we'll go ahead and open it up. We'll get our rosemary, our thyme, fresh parsley, our bay leaf. We'll put 3 bay leaves in there. Let's get it all in there. Now we'll hit it with the onion. If you have any fresh garlic, you can add your garlic also, but I'm not gonna add no garlic. We got enough herbs in there. So that's how we looking right there. Now if we go ahead and wrap it up, it's going in the oven on 375 for 45 minutes. I forgot a couple more things, my bad. Go ahead, add our lemon. I don't know nobody getting on me. What happened to the lemon? Why you put the lemon in there? There go our lemon right here. Go ahead and stuff that lemon in there just like that. Just gonna stuff it in there. course, I want that lemon juice squeezed in there also. Alright, so we go ahead and wrap it up. Alright, I have my zucchini right here. I just chopped it up, little pieces. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I have some lemon in there also. So here with some salt. And go ahead with some water. So I have lemon and lemon juice in there. I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute. I want to clean it real good. So I'm gonna let it soak for like 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so I rinsed it real good. Make sure I rinsed all that salt out, all that good stuff. And then I took it, squeezed it with my hands, and drained it, got all that water off. So now what I have right here, I have me some vegetable oil in here. We feel like this vegetable oil get nice and hot. Then we're gonna saute on tomatoes. I cut up some red bell peppers. We'll saute the tomatoes, onions. Give it some nice saute. Alright, so that's how we looking right there. 45 minutes. Now if they throw it back in there, uncovered, and let that skin get a little crisp to it so it can tighten up some more. And I just pull the skin off, or if you want to eat some of the skin, then beat it up. Alright, so now it's it. All those tomatoes in there. That's really good. And hit it with a little bit of seasoning. With some THYME. Some lemon pepper. I said it smells good in here. It smells good in here. For real. And we'll add our zucchini. Just warm it up a little bit. We ain't gonna put much completely You just want to mix it up. Everything comes together with a nice flavor. I'm going to add some more sodium soy sauce. I put the fish back in the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and let that skin tighten up a little more. We'll get this good food on a nice plate. Alright, so here we go right here. Your boy done made it happen. That's that delicious pink salmon with the vegetable stir fry. Yes, sir. You know I have to pull that skin off of it. I don't too much care for the skin unless it was extra crispy. But this is how we doing it right here in my good kitchen. Yes, sir. Nice healthy meal. And like I say, appreciate y'all for supporting your boy in this channel. And stay tuned for more videos. Never know what I might be cooking in the kitchen. Yeah. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, look at that right there. You know what I mean? Look at that. Boom. Oh. Now you know I gotta go in with the hot sauce and all that good stuff.